Alrighty. February 7th, mid-morning here in south central Pennsylvania. After the storm footage, I guess you could say. Just wanted to get some footage here. Storm ended yesterday, probably around 12:30, 1 o'clock, stopped snowing. Cleared off pretty nice. Still got some work to do here. But yeah, just to show you, I really didn't take any measurements as to how much snow we got. But I will walk out here and give you sort of an estimate of how much we actually got. It's kind of hard to find actual places, but that's about up to my knees. I'm 6'1", so I figured probably between 24 and 30 inches of snow. But it's hard to actually get an accurate measurement because of the blowing and drifting that occurred yesterday afternoon and morning. So just gonna clean off my sister's car. Maybe do a little shoveling. So it's a great storm. It's good to see everything come together and see it unfold. So supposedly Tuesday into Wednesday, there might be another storm approaching the mid-Atlantic and northeast region. So we'll see what that brings. I don't know, this is a good bit of snow. I'm unsure, really unsure if I want any more than what we got here. Like I said, probably somewhere between 24 and 30 inches of snow. Plus, Wednesday I was planning on taking a trip to Harrisburg for the Eastern Sportsman Show, so I'd like to attend that event, but it may not be possible if it snows. So I guess we'll catch you guys later.